What's up guys, it's Kelsey and I'm back for another awesome, cool, rad video. So I have a story to tell you, and it's not exactly a happy story, so I thought I could tell a story, or I could tell a story. You peed on my floor! Dang it! Just barely, seriously? That's what happens when you have puppies. Come here. Or I thought to myself, I could tell a story with puppies! What better way to tell a story than with 4 adorable, cute puppies? Mwah. Even though they peed on my floor. Oh gosh. So if you follow me on Instagram, then you know that my dog just had puppies like 4 weeks ago. And well, this is the result. We have 4 puppies and they're so freaking cute. So this story... But enough about the puppies and on to the story. So today's story is all about and how I actually got cyberbullied like a couple weeks ago. I didn't even realize that stuff really happened, but apparently it does. Okay, so let me tell you the story, and hopefully the puppies will help me. Look how cute they are. Look how cute they are. Look how cute. I'm kind of obsessed with these puppies.